Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Friday, currently 1 p.m. April 1st. I don't have any jokes for you, so I'm sorry. Yeah, we're starting kind of late, but we actually started at noon. It took me about 30 minutes to get an order, and then when I did get it, I forgot to record anything. I was so out of the loop. But it was an order from Silver Diner showing $6.25 that actually became $12.25, which I was shocked at. Then when I was driving back to the town center, they gave me this offer here from Nando's. I really thought about it, but then I was like, you know what? It's been super slow, so why not? This way we can at least have some decent cash flow. 3 items, 11.9 miles for a $22.50 payout, which is pretty high. It could always be more, but again, it's been really, really slow. I think I've declined. Let me look at it here. I've declined today so far 94 orders. 94, and I've only done one. And then when this one would be 2. It's been super, not slow, but like the offers that I've been getting are trash. All them stack offers, all them trash. You can't even say there's a good one in there because there really isn't. They're both trash. DoorDash is just trying to put the trash together and try to present it in a better way, but trash is trash, you know. So yeah, luckily the food was ready. Now we have a 20-minute drive here, which is fine. Again, I haven't been doing anything, so we'll just do that. We'll just drive it. But yeah, 20-minute drive. We'll see you guys at the drop. Alrighty guys, we got the order dropped off. It was almost $25 I think, so totally worth it considering how slow it's been. So I think we're sitting around $36.75, so not too bad for 2 orders in. We do got a 15-minute drive back to the town center, but that's okay. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Alrighty guys, so it's been a while since we last checked in. Well, obviously not for you guys, but for me it has been. Maybe like an hour and a half, maybe a little bit more or a little bit less. But basically when I was driving back from doing the last drop off, I realized that one of my old friends was in town. So we just met up real quick, had lunch. We just went our separate ways. So it's always good to see him. He knows who he is. He watches the channel. But yeah, so now we're back in dash mode. We're back in the grind. We do have our next order here from Ginger Ramen showing $6.25. I want to say it's like 2 miles, maybe a little bit more. It's going to another business, Honey Baked Ham. So it says just hand it to me, so not a problem. But then again, it's just been really slow today, and honestly, I'm feeling pretty lazy. So that's another reason why I was like, hey man, let's go have lunch. You know, you just catch up. And the only thing that sucks about that is like I feel like I ate too much, so now I'm feeling like extra lazy. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, hopefully we don't have any issues with the drop off. We'll see you guys on the next one. So we got the order dropped off, no issues. Made it back to the town center and just waited for forever. I think today's just a weird Friday. A lot of orders, but a lot of garbage orders, which, you know, we're not gonna take. So eventually this order came in here from Silver Diner showing $6.25. I think it's like 2.5 miles, maybe a little bit more. Yeah, I mean, again, it's just been a weird day for sure. Like really, really, really slow. I don't even know how to put it into words how slow it is. But it's 5 o'clock right now, 5:06, and I think we're only on our 3rd or 4th order of the day, which is pretty bad. Oh man, one of these days I gotta wake up. I gotta get out of this slump that I feel like I'm in. But I put myself here. You know, I felt lazy. I had lunch. I ate way too much, and now I feel like I have a food baby. You know. So anyways, let me get this dropped off, wake up, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Alrighty guys, we got the latest order dropped off here from Silver Diner. I think we're sitting around $50 for the entire dash, which isn't that great. But it also isn't bad considering we've only done like 4 orders, I think. Honestly, at this point, if we even get to $100, like, I would be shocked. I would be amazed by that. But even if we can get to $100, I'll be happy with that, to be honest. On a day like today where it's been extremely slow, I started off kind of late, and I'm honestly feeling super lazy right now, and I don't even feel like being out here. If I make $100, I'll be okay with that. So hopefully we can do at least $100, if not more. Currently $5.20. We'll see you guys in a bit. Alrighty guys, it looks like our luck might be turning around here. We're heading to Fintai. I think it's showing $6.50. Going back to the town center, which is perfect. So hopefully the food is ready and we can keep this going. Let's go, I'm hyped. I'm waking up. Let's go. Guys, so the food was ready at Fintai. We dropped it off. And then basically waited another 10-12 minutes until we got this order here from Silver Diner. I think it's a good order. A decent cash flow. It's like $10.25, I think, or $10.50 maybe. for like 6 miles. The food was ready, so now we're back on the road. At this point, I'm just taking whatever I can get, especially if it is a high cash flow, since we're basically running out of time. It's 6:05. We're only going till like 7:30, so realistically, I don't think we'll hit $100. But it's not gonna stop me from trying. Let's go, guys. So we're still making our way here to do the drop off of Silver Diner. I was at a red light, and it was a homeless guy, and he had a sign that said like out of work due to the pandemic, anything helps. So I put my window down because I wanted to offer him a job, because we need people bad. I mean, we don't have people like at all. You know, like we're basically almost like doing skeleton crews right now. But anyways, so I put my window down, and I'm sure he assumed that I was gonna give him cash. And I was like, hey man, like we're hiring, we're like down the street, it's not that far. You know what he said to me? I'm gonna give you guys a second to guess. He said, I already have a job, no thank you. And I was like, but your sign says you're out of work because of COVID. Like, I was mind blown. He just walked away, so I don't know. I mean, I thought that was crazy. But I told him, hey, if you know anyone, you know, I gave him have like a little business card or whatever with like the company's info, and we're hiring, you know. So, but anyways, just wanted to share that with you guys. I was surprised. I thought he was gonna say like maybe no, because this is what he does. But for him to say no, I have a job, like he has another job, like a normal job, I'm assuming, and then he just part-time panhandles. I don't know. I mean, I'm not trying to knock him or anything, you know. That's his hustle, whatever. You know, I don't really like to contribute money, but if I ever have like an extra water bottle or food or something, no problem. But cash, not really. But anyways, let me get this dropped off. We're about 7 minutes away. We'll see you guys in a bit. Alrighty, guys. So we got the order dropped off. I believe it became $12.75, if I'm not mistaken. And then, you know, we were driving back to the town center, and I had to go to the bathroom. Like, you know, when you just out of nowhere, you just have to go to the bathroom. Like, I had to go pee. I don't know why. So I saw McDonald's, and then I was like, you know what? I have to get a McFlurry. I don't know why. I wanted a McFlurry really bad. So, got me a McFlurry to lift up my vibes, because today, I don't know, today's just been weird. It's been a weird day. Like, honestly, I think I should have just not even dashed, because I feel like I was just not feeling it today. But, you know, here we are. We do have our next order. We just accepted, showing 10:25. I want to say maybe 6 miles from Cafesano. I'm hoping the food is ready, because Cafesano is more of a sit-down type of restaurant. It's going near Fintai, so I'm thinking, in an ideal world, I pick up the order from Cafesano, I drop it off, instantly get an order from Fintai, drop that off, and then go to work. Is it gonna happen? I don't know. Hopefully. Anyways, it's currently 6:40. We'll see you guys in a bit. Alrighty, guys. So we got the order picked up here from Cafesano, and I'm not gonna lie, when I walked in, I was not optimistic, because there was a bunch of people, like normal customers. I'm not even talking about DoorDash or Uber, nothing. This guy was over here hollering, I've been waiting 25 minutes for my freaking order. You know, until like the little 16-year-old cashier, like it's her fault or something. And the manager, oh man, this dude, he's one of those people that always look busy, but if you really examine what he's doing, he's not doing anything. He's just running around back and forth, basically hiding from the customer. He's basically letting this girl get yelled at because he doesn't want to face the customer. I would have just said, hey sir, I'm so sorry for the wait, you know, we're working on it. Give him a real timeline, maybe say, hey, let me take these things off your check, what can I do to make your experience better, whatever. He didn't do any of that. Luckily my food was ready, and that actually made it worse, because the guy was like, this guy just walked in here and his food is ready, I've been waiting for like forever, you know. So I told the guy, sir, you know, they placed this order through DoorDash probably an hour ago, you know, so I don't know how long you've been waiting, but I think it would help if you just, you know, didn't yell so much, you know. I said that, I can't believe I said that to the guy, you know, and he looked at me kind of like, I feel like he wanted to say like, you know, he wanted to go Will Smith on me, but then I feel like he kind of checked himself, that he was literally yelling at a 16-year-old girl, and this guy's probably like in his, like, I don't know, I want to say late 40s, late 50s, early 50s, I don't know. So I just told him, I was like, you know, it's not her fault. Like, if you want to yell at someone, ask for the manager. That's what you know. So maybe it was wrong, maybe, I don't know. Hopefully nothing happens. Maybe they don't tell DoorDash anything, because the last thing I need is to, you know, you were being, I don't know, disruptive or something, whatever. DoorDash can use anything to deactivate you, so, you know, you guys know how it is. Anyways, we have a 10-minute drive left until we get to the drop off. Let's go. Alrighty guys, we could do the dropped off from Cafesano. It ended up being $11. And now I'm hoping that my prediction comes true. We're right next to Fintai. It's 7:04, so if I don't have an order in the next 10 minutes or so, I'm gonna have to call it a day. Ooh, order from Fintai, but it's not a good one. Look at this one. 3 items, 4.5 miles for $2.50. I'm sorry, but nobody's taking you that order. They're not. It's too far. You live too far from Fintai not to tip. Anyways, again, we got a few minutes left here. Hopefully we can do it. Hopefully. We'll see you guys in a bit. Alrighty guys, so I was about to just end my shift because we were not getting anything worth taking. We were basically out of time. And when I was about to end it, like it didn't let me. Like an order came in and it was this one from Outback. We just picked it up. $9.50, 5 items. I think it was going like 4.5 miles maybe. But they're all like steaks and a random Coke. Only one drink for like 4 steaks. But anyways, I think with this, if we're lucky, we're gonna finish in the mid-90s. If we're really lucky, it'll be over $100, which if that's the case, that would just blow my mind because it's been so slow today. Perhaps my slowest Friday. And if you think about it, I took like a $22 order. So without that, it would have been even worse. And I get it, I took a big break in the middle of the day because I went to have lunch with my friend. But regardless, even with that, it was still really, really slow. So hopefully after this, after this, we're out of time. So basically after this, we're gonna go over the numbers. We'll see you guys in a bit. Alrighty guys, we got the order dropped off. It ended up being $9.75. So I think it was 25 cents more than what it was originally shown as, which, you know, 25 cents, hey, we'll take it, we'll take it. Anyways, we're gonna finish the dash at $90 with 50 cents. Perhaps my lowest paying dash for a Friday. But then again, I started late. I took like a 2-hour break really, without really wanting to. But our hourly still sucks. $14.07. We only did 8 orders. But you know, again, I'm not really gonna complain. We almost did $100 doing food delivery when it was slow. So overall, great. And honestly, we're still kind of on pace to hit the goal. Again, the weekly goal is $1,000. We are sitting here for the week at $600 with 27 cents. So all I gotta do is do 200 on Saturday and 200 on Sunday. $1,000. So that's gonna be basically our next goal for the next couple of days, to hit 200 just so that we can finish the week strong. But yeah, so anyways, thank you so much for coming along on today's very, very lame edition of my dash. Anyways, you guys stay safe. We'll see you next time. Peace.